Hi everyone, this is Andy from AB Squared Fabrication, and I'm in my home shop, Andy's Shop and Lounge as I like to call it. Next to me is the Honcho Visor, and down here is all the products I need to paint the Honcho Visor if I want to do it myself. Please come watch along and I'll show you how you too can paint your own Honcho Visor. Thank you. The finish on the Honcho Visor is absolutely wonderful. I work hard with our fiberglass manufacturer to ensure it is paint ready when you receive it. The only work that you will need to do before you paint it is to scuff it down with Scotch-Brite, shoot some color, and shoot some clear. After sanding, make sure you go back afterwards and apply panel prep one more time. Give it a thorough wipe down, and then make sure you wait plenty of time for any type of solvents to gas off and the panel is fully dry before you go ahead and apply the paint. That's it, the visor's done. The color came out great. The clear coat looks fantastic. I'll take some still photos of this and post it up here in the video as well, but I've got to say the visor came out exactly the way that we want it. The paint was easy to apply. The clear coat was just as easy. As long as you follow the instructions, take your time and don't rush through the process, you too can have a great result on your Honcho Visor. Stay tuned, look for more videos, and thank you again for watching. Bye for now.